Plant-based mayonnaise is simple to make.
To start with, apple cider vinegar, 3/4 cup. And we have lemon juice, 3/4 cup. Two tablespoons of mustard powder, 1 tablespoon of kala namak black salt, makes it taste eggy, gives it our mayonnaise an eggy taste, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Then we have 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast and 1 tablespoon of paprika. I have 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. To this, I'm going to add half of the water. I'm concerned that my blender is going to push out the top a little bit. I don't need all of the water to blend the cashews, so I'm only going to put half of it in. Now I have drained and rinsed the cashews, 3 cups that have been boiled for 10 minutes. I add that to the blender. Run the blender for a few times. If you have to let it cool off in between, we want the time to add up to about 6 minutes. Beautiful stuff. Now I'm going to add in the rest of the water, and then we're going to add in the thickeners. This is tapioca's flour or tapioca starch. I have 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons. Other thickeners are 1 tablespoon of agar powder and 1.5 teaspoons of xanthan gum. I'm going to pulse this or blend it for a very short time just to mix in the thickeners. Pour it into a very large saucepan. This is almost a Dutch oven size. Put the heat on, medium-high heat. Keep it going and stirring until it thickens and then boils. It has to have a good boil going. This takes several minutes.
Thanks for watching.